Baking can sometimes be difficult or complicated for many people.
But using this recipe to make a delicious cake for 1 or 2 people will be a lifesaver. It only takes 7 minutes. I'm Amelia.
And I'm Kendall, and we're going to teach you how to make cake in a mug.
The ingredients you will need: 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup white sugar, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 tablespoon of water, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Mix flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt in a microwave-safe mug. Then stir in the milk, canola oil, water, and vanilla extract. Once mixed evenly, place in the microwave for at least a minute and 45 seconds.
After the cake is baked, carefully take it out of the microwave, then let it cool for at least a minute. Then you can add any toppings you would like.
Once you've added your toppings, now you'll be ready to enjoy your delicious cake.